Some mornings, you don't wait for a reason, you just go. This is the Scout 377 LXF, 37 feet, built for the kind of day that starts before the marina wakes up. Scout builds these in Summerville, South Carolina. A boat yard, not a boardroom. Every 377 LXF right now is in current production, built to run hard, day after day, not sit at a dock. The stepped hull cuts flat through chop that slows other boats down, past the inlet before the wind even picks up. Open cockpit, nothing to climb over. Ready when you are. The stepped hull keeps you flat and dry through chop that slows other boats down. A door swings in on the side, ladder folds out. You're in the water without stepping over a rail. Up front, the sun deck stretches out, gear stowed underneath and out of the way. And with the lithium battery system, the world stays quiet at anchor. Below, there's a place to cool off if the afternoon gets long. Air conditioning at the helm and in the cabin. A reel head on board. But the point was never the cabin. The point is you're still out here at 4, still moving, and nobody's asking when you're heading back. This isn't a boat you look at on a Saturday. It's a boat you live on by 8 in the morning. For full specifications and availability on the 377 LXF, visit yachtspecsdirect.com. I'm Kaya from Minted Yachts. For additional information, feel free to email me at info@mintedyachtscom or hit us up at yachtspecsdirect.com. New to yachting? Then grab our free buyer's guide at yachtbuying101.com and find your water.